in Crested Butte, Colorado. Feels fantastic. I'm editing. Allie's working on something really cool that's coming up in a future episode. Can't wait to show it with you guys. But she just brought me some Australian snack. Apparently I meant to bite off a corner of each end and suck it up through a straw. What's it called? A Tim Tam. So I don't know. I'm mostly a thoroughbred American type of guy. So I like me a chocolate chip cookie, but
So you explain what you're doing.
okay, I'm biting off the corner.
Nibbling off opposite sides.
Opposite sides to make a straw. Now I'm going to put it in lavender tea. Do they do this? Is this what Australians do?
Well, it's best in coffee.
Okay, that makes more sense.
But don't leave it in there too long because it melts.
I haven't even put it in yet. Golly, what are you, Australian now? I could see with coffee.
What? But
It'd
this
be really
chocolate
good.
was still melty
Oh, it's
delicious.
delicious.
And delicious.
Totally. Okay, guys, enough Tim-tamming around. We are in Crested Butte in the middle of a winter storm. And we're going to show you guys the whole situation. I think it's going to be really fun. But I just hope Helen... this is my first time driving Helen in a winter storm, so I don't know what to expect. I think it's going to be really, really good, but we'll see. So we got to show the vlog.
Guys, this is a full-on winter storm. Helen has been through a few up in Washington and Canada and stuff, but we're snowed in, nice and cozy. Oh, the door's kind of frozen. As you can see, it is just piling up. But that's enough of that because we got to keep the heat inside.
We're going to let this storm get stronger and stronger. It's just getting started. We are totally in to the Crested Butte vibe. I wish we had a few more days here, but we're kind of on a schedule right now. So we only get a few days here in Crested Butte.
Schedule because we have very exciting things happening.
Yes, for the vlog. Always for the vlog. This is definitely van country, huh?
It is van.
There's so many vans here. We even see, here's a red ProMaster. We just saw a green ProMaster. And we've just got basic gray.
Whatever. Helen is a granite gray because she's beautiful. Look at this cute house and their Christmas lights. It's just perfect. We keep liking every town we go to, but I have to say, this is my number one right now.
For mountain town vibes, this is number one, for sure. It's just so peaceful, and with the snow, it just makes it that much better. Ooh, doggies want a treat, don't doggies? What do you think, a whole one each or half?
Oh, I think half.
Oh.
Oh, maybe a whole.
Okay.
It's late enough now that it is time to go find our parking spot, and in Crested Butte, we'll show you, there's signs up all over. They get so much snow here that they plow. You can park on one side of the road on even nights and the other side on odd nights. So last night we parked on one side and we're gonna go back to that street, and there's such a huge snowbank in front of these people's houses, we don't think it's a bother that we're just outside.
It's really coming down now. It's definitely starting to accumulate snow.
Aren't you just in love with this cute little mountain snowy town?
Okay. Can't see the stop signs. There was no stop sign though, thankfully. Probably why I couldn't see it.
So there is a house being built just back there, and then there's a house that's definitely vacant because they haven't shoveled their driveway in a very long time. And we're just kind of parked out on the road outside of it. And we're on the right side of the road because we're going to plow the other side tomorrow.
It's snowing like the dickens out there. This is home for the night. It's not perfectly flat, it's slightly tilted, but it's what we got. So we're gonna make it work. Activate the cozy zone. Whoops. Since it's so cold, I need to get the immediate heat going, all right, guys? So this is how we do this. And yeah, OSHA wouldn't be too happy with our heating situation, but this is what we're working with here. So I don't really care what OSHA thinks. Being at like 10,000 feet or 9,000 feet, every task is hard. So now it's time to get our jammies on, our comfies on, and cozy up in this here bed.
And oftentimes we go to bed quite early, especially in the winter, maybe all year round. It's kind of dependent on the sunlight, I guess.
Yeah, and by early, I think what Allie means is we'll go to bed, she'll fall asleep, and then I'll lie in bed on my phone for 2.5 hours, and then I'll eventually hopefully fall asleep.
If you're dressed in layers, you can take your outside layer off and still be in your inside layer to get into bed without having to put cold clothes on. Hot tip.
Okay guys, it snowed at least 6 inches last night. I gotta clear off Helen. The one thing about Crested Butte, the mountain, is that it's got a really small parking lot. So you gotta get up there early in order to get a spot. So it's just about 7 a.m. Allie's not even awake yet. And I'm gonna start driving us up there so we get a sweet spot and we don't have to worry too much about where we're parking today. And hopefully we can have a good day on the slopes. Oh, this is so much snow. This is an official winter storm. And honestly, I don't miss the sun one bit. It's supposed to snow all day like this, so I'm so grateful to be here. So glad to be able to share it with you guys too. Wait till Allie wakes up and I guarantee you she's gonna want some chapstick. She's got an addiction.
A few moments later.
Oh, Allie's getting her boot warmers out, guys. That's how you know it's a serious snowstorm. It's officially time. We hit it. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Allie's asking me if we're stuck from bed. Yeah, we just can't get... I can reverse, but I just can't seem to break the barrier here, so I'm gonna try again with a little more running speed. Da-da-na-na! All right, we are successfully on the road. All right, the roads are really clear. There goes a plower right now. Thank you, sir. And we should be having no problems getting up to the mountain. Crested Butte, the town, is about 10 minutes down the hill from the actual ski resort, so it's a really short drive. We made it, Pigged. Wow, that last part was difficult. I couldn't even vlog it because I had to focus so much on getting up this hill, and man, it is just dumping up here. What was that?
Is the inverter still on, dude?
Well, something just happened where we lost all power.
The only thing that's bad about this is that our water pump needs electricity.
What about the fridge?
Well, what's in there though? It's really cold out, so
Yeah.
it's not like we have any meat and cheese in the do.
No.
Huge chunks of snow just fell off the roof.
We get Huck. Huckleberry, what are you doing? Just the way it's got to be, unfortunately.
But the batteries aren't that low.
I know, 13.3.
12.3.
Oh, 12.3. Oh, well,
But
that is low.
Still,
That's low.
they shouldn't have turned off. And if we wipe the solar panels off, even though there's not direct sunlight, they would still get some charge, but
Well, let's do it.
it's covered. They're just gonna get covered in snow
yeah.
in another minute.
I'm like, yeah, let's do that.
But we have a little bit of light, and we got enough water to make a pot of coffee, make a thing of coffee. So Michigan, there's so many Michigan people here,
So we've got everything we could ever want.
and then we'll deal
Minus
with it when we're
power.
done skiing.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. Good luck getting all the gear out.
Guys, I don't know what's been going on. My lips are so dry, they're about to fall off, and I've tried so many different kinds of chapsticks in here. I have a million in here already, but I need the best one, the right one. So if you have a recommendation, can you please send it my way?
Told you. You're an addict. I already told the vlog you're an addict. Put your chapstick away, for crying out loud. And get out of here.
Hit them slopes.
This is going to be quite the experience on skis, so better now than never.
Don't worry, I'll catch him falling.
Shut up. Kiss. Smash that like button. Okay guys, here we are. First lift up. I have no clue what I'm doing on skis and powder, so this is going to be an interesting day, but I'm going to definitely progress today. Babe, your thoughts? Just don't hold back. Seriously, tell us what you're thinking.
I'm so excited. So excited. The feeling of fresh powder under your feet. There's probably nothing that matches it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Okay, I'm gonna follow Dan. He's got this. He's looking great.
The day we've been after for 3 weeks, 4 weeks now.
These have been some of the best runs of my life.
I'm skiing all day. I'm skiing all day. I love this. Okay guys, I'm trying out my first tree run on skis. I'm gonna follow Allie's lead if I can keep up with her. That was my first full eject on my skis ever. I'm glad to know they work.
I love Crested Butte.
Okay guys, we're so close to the peak of the mountain. You can see it right behind me up there. It is just so spectacular. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That was the best run I've had in recent memory. Okay guys, we just got back to the van and we got to figure out what we're gonna do about this whole power situation, because we've got stuff we do. Basically all the batteries on our laptops, phones, everything's sort of close to dead, if not dead already. This is definitely not what we expected, but at least we had a good day on the mountain and we're glad to take you guys along.
My idea behind doing it now, even though it's gonna snow more, is that it'll be easier next time.
Mission accomplished.
Thank you.
Sweet boy gets a kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Smash that like button.
I just dropped Dan off at a little shop so he could charge his computer and all of his things, and so he could work on the vlog. And I've decided to venture out by myself to try and find a plug to plug the van into overnight. And there's so much snow that people are out here skiing in the streets. It's wild, and it's coming down super heavy. I don't know if you can tell. And I hope that I don't come to some road that is not plowed, because I don't want to have to back out of it or anything wild. Nothing's looking promising because there's so much snow.
A few moments later.
I did just what I said I didn't want to do. So now we're reversing down a street to try and get to another street. So I came to basically a dead end. We have heat because we have propane. So we can cook, and we have twinkle lights that are battery powered, like AAAs or whatever. So I think what we're gonna do is, me and the dogs, that is, I think we're gonna go check one more place out and then go at least try and fill up some water bottles for tonight. I think we better park up because this is getting just a little too intense, a little too much snow. Oh my gosh, dog sled. Oh my gosh, doggies, dog sleds. Oh my gosh. What's going on, Pegged? Peggied, what's going on?
All right, gang, I'm back from the coffee shop and I'm here to assist Allie Vondering in whatever it is she could possibly need. I need a shave. We are living the absolute winter wonderland extravaganza, and before we go any further,
It's 17 degrees outside.
it's freezing, it's snowing, it's dumping, and we haven't eaten, so we're gonna make a little family pasta night, a little lovey-dovey dinner date night pasta dish. Babe, your reaction to the load of crap I just fed the vlog?
It's nonstop. It's amazing that you guys believe what he says, but it's all crap.
Babe, don't give away my secrets.
I still like you, though.
Kiss. Right now, kiss. Let's smash that like button. Tonight's meal, guys, is one of our favorites and very easy. Banza chickpea pasta. Babe, choose a sauce.
This one?
Yep. We need veggies. What are we gonna add?
Will these do?
They're gonna have to do.
I don't like the attitude.
You are deliciously evil. I bet our pasta's gonna be just as delicious. Okay guys, we were just in the middle of our sweet editing sequence for dinner, and all of a sudden the lights flickered again and the pump sputtered, I guess. And that's exactly what happened this morning when our electrical system completely failed. So you filled up the water bottles. I guess we're just going, we're going this way. And I just need to think. Yeah, we should be able to make dinner without using much power. So hopefully we have lights tonight. All right, that'll do. Hold on.
How the heck can we get a propane?
Okay. Well, I assumed we could just use the propane to cook the dinner, but we have literally no propane. And
How did that happen? We just filled up.
We just filled it up in Tahoe, so holy crap. That means we have no heat. All right, we'll pick you up in a second, vlog. We got to figure this out, but pasta night is unfortunately on hold temporarily. This is winter wonderland when literally everything goes wrong in your van, in your little tiny cabin on wheels. It's been a good experience because now we know how fast the propane goes if we use it to heat.
When we're just blasting
burning it up. So
propane is thankfully very inexpensive. It's a very inexpensive way to heat the van, but we need more of it.
Yeah.
Thankfully, I've been waking up almost sweating at night because we're so hot.
Maybe that's why we don't have any friggin' propane.
I'm not concerned about being cold tonight, and we have a headlamps and lights, so I'm not concerned about that. And we've got plenty of water filled up in our water bottles to get us through the night.
I'm sure somebody's gonna come and siphon all the gas out of the van at some point soon too. So, as I was gonna say, I know we have gas in the van.
It would solve a lot of problems if we hit the road. It's just snowing right now, so it doesn't make any sense to drive in the dark with the snow.
Yeah. The vibes are actually so good inside the van with all of our electrical completely dead, but we just wanted to show you guys how magical the main street of Crested Butte, Colorado is. Babe, your thoughts, you're in love with this place, fill the vlog in, just say something at least.
So in love with it. I feel it's just like the nicest sized town. Nice and small, one main road through town, there's no traffic, everybody's relaxed. And it's cute as a button covered in snow.
They've even got heated sidewalks, so even though I have no propane and no electricity, I still feel like I'm living the high life. As you can see right here, heated sidewalk. Just look at the vibe, guys. It's just so beautiful here. Ah, I love it. Well, we're gonna go grab some food, and we're respectful vloggers, as you guys know, so we're gonna leave the camera inside the purse, and we're gonna pick you guys back up in the morning though, but we had to show you downtown Crested Butte. Good morning, everybody. We made it through the night, and that was one of the coldest night's sleep I've had in a long time. Allie's just gone to get us some coffee, and we got to figure out what we're gonna do after that, because we need to drive around to get the alternator fired up, to charge our auxiliary batteries. We need to find propane, and we got a lot of just tasks that need to be taken care of in order to continue this whole vlog journey. I mean, all our batteries are dead, so I'm gonna wait for Allie, and then we're gonna hit the road, and we're gonna have to problem solve today. No more monkeying around. Good morning.
Good morning. At your service.
Success.
So we didn't really get much snow last night at all, actually. It was all like yesterday afternoon, if you can remember, when I was trying to find a place to park. That was hectic.
Okay guys, we found a propane distributor here in Gunnison. So Allie's gonna go get him. I'm gonna undo the propane tank and get it ready. And we're gonna fill this bad boy up with 5 gallons of Primo propane. I can't wait to get this done and be back on the road.
This kind gentleman here is gonna fill our propane tank and we'll be good to go. Woo, abajo.
We just filled up our propane, $20 for 4.5 gallons. Hopefully that'll last us longer than like 2 weeks.
I'm feeling it today. I'm in a good mood today. I love Crested Butte. I can't help it.
Why don't you take some of Grandpa's chill pills and fall asleep? I mean, come on.
Hey.
I'm just kidding. We're gonna hit the road and we want to take you guys along for our trip back eventually to the Pacific Northwest and then beyond to the great frontier of other places.
That was just the most fantastic few days in Crested Butte, and I'm ready to hit the road. We have things to do. A couple of things fell through for other parts of Colorado, but it's all right. We'll let you in on that secret maybe another day when it does happen. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.